wanted to do a video showing the results of my lighting upgrades. I decided a nearby forest road would be a great way to put the lights to the test, so off I went. Starting with the headlights on and driving about 15 miles an hour, I switched on the fog lights and was super impressed. What an incredible difference going from no fog lights to this. I'm really glad I got the amber, and I couldn't be happier. With the headlights and fog lights on, I turned on the ditch lights. This was not as impressive, and it's not because the ditch lights aren't great, it's because the fog lights have such a wide beam that it's drowning them out. So turning off the fog lights, you can see a nice splash of light to the sides, but because of the wide beam of the fog lights, it's going to impact where I point the ditch lights. They need to be angled further to the sides, just outside the range of the fogs. On the way back home, I realized the power of the fog lights on a very dark highway, where people often use their high beams. I had to capture this as well. I don't think I've ever appreciated fog lights as much as I did driving down the highway. I have no disappointment in my lighting upgrades. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe.